Well, welcome back, Kia owners. Well, the other day I noticed my turn signal wasn't working. It's been raining the past couple of days, so I've been procrastinating changing this bulb. Anyway, got it done, so I thought I'd share it with you and show you how easy it is to do. That's right, it's super easy and it doesn't require any tools. While we have a moment here, don't forget to check out my other Kia DIY repair videos. Just click above on the right hand corner and it'll take you there. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Believe it or not, this really helps me to continue making these videos. Okay, let's get to work. The first thing you want to do is pop your hood open, and we're going to go to the passenger side because that's the bulb that's out on mine. And you're going to look for that blue lid. It's I believe the windshield wiper fill. And you're going to look in between that lid and the back of the headlight there. You're going to see a plastic knob. It's a black plastic knob right there. Now with your fingers, you're going to grab that tab and you're going to turn it clockwise and it'll come right out. It's really easy to turn. If it's a little hard for you to turn, you can get a towel or something and put it over it and then wrench down on it. But it comes out really easy. See how easy that thing came out? It's a painted amber bulb. Okay, now we're going to remove the bulb from this little housing. And what you're going to do is you're going to slightly push in and turn counterclockwise and it comes right out. So when you go to the parts store, this is what you're going to get, and this is the number you're going to look for. You're going to take your new bulb, position it, and lightly push in and turn it clockwise, and you're good to go. You're ready to install it. Okay, this bulb or the housing goes in a certain way, so as you put it in, if you don't feel the housing just slip in there, you may have to turn it 180 so it's in there correctly. Once you have it in there correctly, just turn it clockwise and it turns about a quarter of a turn and you'll feel it kind of lock in a little bit and you're done. That was pretty easy to do, wasn't it? Now just go in your car, turn the key on, turn your passenger signal light on and make sure it's working correctly. All right, looks like we're done. But wait a minute, does this work on the driver's side light? Of course it does. Let me show you. Wow, I'm starting to sound like one of those juicer commercials. On this one, you're going to look behind, obviously, your driver's side headlight, and you're going to look for that same knob. It looks the same. Now, most Kias, the passenger side lights are easy to change out, but the driver's headlights are a little tough. But in this case, for this light, it's just as easy. You're going to do the same thing. Once you're done, turn the key on, turn your driver's side turn signal on, and voila, it's working. I told you this was easy. Aren't you happy you saved some money by doing it yourself? Well, looks like we're done, but stay tuned because I'm going to come back and change this headlight out completely with a new one. So don't forget to subscribe, that way when I do the video, it will alert you. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.